Come on, Mama, you ain't got no milk left. Get the ball. Come on. Freya. Freya. Get it. Get it. So little Blue here likes he would be a male who is going to have a lot of energy. He's got a sweet nature, but he likes to a lot of energy. I would say he's going to be a probably good guard dog, good for exercise. Play would be a very playful pup. Probably get into some mischief. Probably similar to Yellow, is female, a lot of energy, boisterous. Pink is sold. She's got a very sweet nature, likes to follow you around everywhere. Here's Yellow and Pink having a bit of a rough up. Looks like Yellow's a bit more on the dominant. So red male, he's sold. Orange is sold. Black male. He is, so I got two males still for sale at 31st of December. He's a bit of a cutie as well. They're both. He's probably going to be similar to Blue, stereotypical male Doberman, mid-temperament, not super aggressive or anything like that, just probably a good guard dog, very playful, not like a soft temperament, submissive. And here's Yellow off after the chickens. Yellow likes to make her own mind up. And Rusty, of course, is the dominant pup at 6, 7 months old. What did I say? Rusty. Yeah. Rusty's grandmother. Where's little little one? Oh, there she is down there, is it? Little.
Oh, yeah, she's down there.
So purple. This is purple female. She's still for sale, but I'm holding her for another month because she was the runt of the litter. So as you can see that she needs a little bit of size on her. So she'll probably be available in a month. So probably end of January, just because she's a bit smaller. In comparison, compared to this other female here, the yellow female's quite a bit bigger. So we'll just make sure she's all fed, good to go. Smallest doesn't necessarily mean weakest. This is Rusty. I kept her. She was the runt of the litter, and she grew up exactly like her mother, same size. And she's had a bunch of litters. She's retired now, and even little ones getting in there for a burn. Hello, yellow. Hello, yellow. Yellow. Mellow yellow. Puppies. 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 Where's the puppies? Where's the puppies? Puppies. 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 Pink puppy. Black boy puppy. Little purple. Yeah, I think yellow's, she's probably got the most energy out of the females. So there's 3 of the females that are left here. One's gone to a new home already. Yeah, but I'd say yellow's probably, she's the biggest, probably the most feisty out of the females. She's not aggressive in any way, but she will have a lot of energy. She does. I'd say she's probably, yeah, should be a good guard dog. She's not like, I don't think she's an alpha. It's sort of hard to say with this pack because this one here has been hanging around with them, and she's 6 or 7 months old, and she's been dominating, as you can see. Wait, bully. But also playing. She doesn't really hurt him. She just Mama with the ball. Ball obsessed. Very high energy dogs. Extremely high energy. It's got to run them a couple of times a day at the very least. Otherwise, that's when you have problems. Not really problems, just if people don't understand that this one here is the third. I'm the third owner, and she's 6 months old because the two other people couldn't handle her, and they had all the toys and all the goodies that a puppy could have, but one, it was in a unit instead of. She used to go to the beach every day, but the girl couldn't handle her, so I got her, bit of discipline, and then just tire her out, run her, and she's good. She's from one of mine originally, but she bred with another male, and I happened to come across her. But yeah, you've got to. You have to lead them. You have to train them. You have to de-energize them. If you don't de-energize them, then you're going to have, well, like any puppy problems. But they need a pack leader. So this is Mum. She's very high energy, extremely. She's 2. And she's got quite a few scratches on her, and that's because when I throw the ball down and the ball goes into the trees, she does not hesitate to charge in there full speed and get scratched. Anyway, we'll wrap it up at 12 minutes 40.